What's up, guys? I just got a new hairstyle for $0. It's called Mala. Mala. One advantage of Bobby Mala is that you receive cool breeze. Cool bro. Hey. As I'm talking to you guys now, my head is so cool. It's only those that barb Mala knows the real bedu. Mala is the real bedu. Like, slap your ass, yeah. So guys, if you love this my hairstyle, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, and also drop in the comment, Mr. Koku, this your hairstyle, Give me the ginger, give me the vibe, make me the. You get what I'm saying? On the Mala mood. This 2025 gonna be serious. Don't play. Serious boys, don't play. So this is my, I got this mala for $0. You know what I'm saying? Because I use my razor blade, and it is shining. It is reflecting. Oh my god! So guys, I've been wondering whether you can see the center of my hair. It is shining yellow. So I've been wondering whether it is spray. Boy, how far is it spray? The guy said that he's confused, that my mala is shining. So guys, want to taste the sweetness of nature, go and get your hair cut into mala and you enjoy it, because the cool breeze. Subscribe if you love this mala. Subscribe if you love this mala. Subscribe. Bye bye.